She said her key broke off, but officers quickly realized that wasn't the only thing broken that night. What started as a simple welfare check turned into a scene no one expected.
Hello. Can you step out here and talk to me?
Yeah.
Are there any weapons in the car?
No.
No. Okay, who is he?
He's my boyfriend.
That's your boyfriend? Okay.
Yeah. My keys broke off.
Okay.
So my keys in my ignition. I literally pulled up and I can't get it out.
Okay, where were you coming from tonight?
My work.
What do you do for work? What do you do for work?
I'm a server.
Okay. And where are you guys trying to go to now?
I'm home.
Where's home?
Uber. Like 10 minutes away.
Okay.
But my keys broke off and I literally can't get it to do shit else besides this.
And just sit here?
Yeah, I don't know. Like my windshield.
It's okay. Just hold on. We're just talking right now, so just leave it right now.
I just wanted you to see. Like, I'm not doing anything.
Yeah, go ahead and close that door.
Okay. No, my windshield wipers are just going. My key broke off. I'm trying to look for my spare key. I don't know how to get it out.
So, what's going on tonight between you and him?
He's fighting with me for honestly no reason. I'm just trying to take him home too. I did have 2 beers at work. Like, I promise you, I am sober.
Was there something physical going on between you two?
No, not a physical, not a physical or anything like that.
Nothing physical?
No.
I've been at work all f***ing day.
Okay. So
I did have 2 beers though at work. That was fucking 2 hours ago, or 3.
I mean, I can tell you've clearly been drinking and everything.
No.
Has she been drinking?
Her? No.
She hasn't been?
No, sir.
And then you guys were arguing. What were you arguing about?
Arguing over my keys.
No, because they broke. Did they
Yes.
break here in this?
Yes.
So how'd they break?
I really wish I knew. Like, that's why I'm fighting with him. Because, I don't understand why the my keys broke off. Like, I told him, get the out of my car. Like,
Well, what were you guys arguing about?
Relationship things. I'm not trying to, put our business all out there, but
Yeah.
No, when you say fighting, are you talking physically fighting or verbally fighting?
verbally.
Okay.
And I was like, listen, I'll pull the over right here. And then my keys broke off.
332 clear.
Officers respond to a report of a possible domestic disturbance near a gas station. The caller said a young couple was fighting inside a parked vehicle. When police arrived, they found a visibly emotional woman behind the wheel and a man in the passenger seat, both with stories that didn't quite match. She said her keys had broken off in the ignition. She said she'd only had 2 beers at work, but her speech, her behavior, and her boyfriend's rising frustration told another story. This is what happens when Gen Z meets the police.
He's, I think, needing you. The guy's knocking on the window.
What do you need, man?
I'm sorry.
Are you?
I was talking to my girlfriend.
Huh?
I was talking to my girlfriend.
Oh, okay. Yep, just stay there in the car.
Okay.
How long have you had this car?
Not very long.
I'm gonna grab some out of my computer.
My tags are probably still on a Honda.
Okay.
But it's my car. I have everything in the ignition, in my box, title, and everything.
Okay.
She's saying that they were arguing because her keys broke.
Keys?
Yeah, her keys in the ignition broke off. But she said that they were never physically fighting. Admitted to drinking a couple beers at work. She promises me that she's not drunk. But I don't know if you want to try to run her some tests or what you want to do, but...
And you drove here?
From work.
How long have you been here?
Oh, 5 minutes.
Okay.
5 minutes.
Okay. How much have you had to drink?
2 beers.
Did you have anything mixed?
I don't know.
Where was she at? You rolled up.
Backseat. Yeah, when I was sitting at this light, she was moving around quite a bit in the car, but I don't think it was them trying to fight for anybody.
I did get heated when my keys got pulled out and all that, and I pulled over. That's probably where the fighting call came from.
Were any threats of violence made tonight?
No.
She's
I agree.
drunk.
That's
I think what both of you guys just probably need to do is start calling for rides for each of you.
No, that's fine. I agree. I had 2 beers and a shot within 8 p.m. to now.
Yeah. Well, you're slurring your speech. So.
I am because the heat. Once I get the green light and somebody turns mad at me, then that puts me into a certain place. I am sorry about that.
Okay.
I mean, like, if I need a write-up or a ticket, what the I really don't care.
I'm not trying to give you a ticket. I'm trying to tell you that you need to call somebody to come get you.
Yeah.
The plate also doesn't return to this vehicle. Returns
No,
back
it
to
returns to a Honda.
How long ago did you get the car?
Like, probably 40 days, like, on the point. I'm waiting till
How many
Monday.
days?
Probably 40 days to the point. Like, I'm waiting till Monday.
40? Is that what you're saying?
I'm not sure. Like, how many days I've had the car to the point.
You're just slurring your speech so much I can't understand.
I'm not slurring. I'm telling you.
How many days?
Around 40.
Okay, that's better. You need to go get your phone. You need to call somebody to come get you in your car.
That's not gonna happen.
Huh? What's not gonna happen?
I don't know that anybody's gonna come get me.
Okay, well, you're definitely not getting back in the driver's seat of that car. And he's not driving.
Oh, for sure.
Well, you're for sure not driving either.
I agree with that, honestly. Like, I'm not mad at you guys. I promise.
Well, okay.
So.
Alright, so you need to have somebody come get you. Have somebody come get your car. I'm going to tell him he needs to have somebody else come get him. And you guys just need to stay separated, because clearly when you guys have both been drinking, you guys are both shit-faced. It's not a good place for you two, right?
I don't know.
Partner, can you call somebody to come get you?
I'll be alright.
Huh?
I'll be alright.
No, I'm telling you. Call somebody to come get you.
For sure.
Huh?
I appreciate you.
Call him right now.
Yeah.
Right now.
I got you.
I'm telling you, like, neither of you guys are leaving here without a ride. Dial up a buddy dial. At first, the officers tried to keep things calm. They gave both of them a chance to call for rides and avoid arrest. But alcohol has a way of erasing good decisions. As the officers urged them to find someone, anyone, to pick them up, the boyfriend's patience evaporated. His words slurred, his voice raised, and his movements grew unpredictable. The officer warned him, "If you pop that door open, you're going to jail." Seconds later, he did exactly that. Officers moved in, restrained him as he shouted confusion and disbelief. But the truth was simple. He had crossed the line. Meanwhile, his girlfriend, Kelsey, sat by, emotional, apologetic, realizing just how fast the night had spiraled.
Oh, mom, dad, brother, sister.
I don't have
Somebody.
nice truck. Nice.
My key is stuck in.
I'm not worried about it. You already told me that several times, right?
Yeah, well, you didn't seem to listen.
I don't think now's the time to be.
I'm not trying to be a smart ass.
Well, you are.
Buddy, you're not dialing anybody, and that's her right there.
Yeah. Well, I mean, what do you want at this point? I don't have fucking anybody, bud. I don't have fucking anybody.
Well, you're
So which one would you like? Would you like me to go ahead and deal for somebody that's not there? Which is
I want you to have
my
somebody
mother or
come
dad.
get you.
I don't. I mean, I'll go ahead and have somebody to stay. Just for you.
Yeah, I don't know, like, how anybody call, so.
Got to
You better figure out somebody, because it's better going to jail, right?
Like, can I walk?
No.
Because then
not
you'll
at
get
all.
arrested.
I don't have a mom. I don't have a fucking pod.
Do you
I
have friends?
have friends.
Do you have
Who?
friends?
I heard you say friends, dumbass. No, I don't fucking have anybody. I don't fucking have family. I don't have fucking friends. What do you want from me?
I want you to call
Exactly.
somebody to come get
No, I'll go ahead and get home for you, so I have friends that can go ahead and set me home asleep, so I get sleep.
What are you talking about?
What's about to happen is about something you don't want to see.
What's that?
I don't want to go to jail.
Just go.
What's
Just
about to
go.
happen? What's about to happen?
Oh, look at you. Buggy, but you want to be big? I'm big
What are
for
you talking about?
no.
I want you to have somebody come get you. If you pop that door open, you're going to jail. So,
For what?
disorderly conduct.
See, see the thing when you try to process somebody for a process, you gotta have a reason, and I haven't really done anything. So it's wild that you're trying to go ahead and have a reason for me when I've done nothing wrong.
My mom died Monday.
I'm sorry to hear that, but you need to get a hold of somebody.
Who the fuck else do I call?
I'm sure you know other people.
No, I don't.
Why don't you go ahead and step back with you about
You said
10
what?
feet? I said, why don't you go ahead and step back about 10 feet? If you think in any
I
way...
need you to have somebody come get you.
Listen to me. No. Go ahead. Here.
For what? Put your hands behind your back or you're going to go to jail. Or you are going to jail now.
I was trying to talk.
Quit resisting. Quit resisting.
For what? I was trying to talk to you. I didn't even do anything. I didn't do anything. Kelsey.
I can't help you.
For what? What have I done?
I put my phone into my car. To keep calling people.
What's your phone on?
I have 1%.
Just
But like, I promise I'm not doing anything else. But like, I'm not trying to go to
step over here
jail.
to this car. Come here. Just hang tight right there. Yep.
Like, there's nothing harmful.
Sit up.
Who? You. For what? I didn't do anything. For what? What did I even do? Dude, I have a broken ass leg, bro. Like, what the f are y'all doing?
For what?
Dude,
For what? What did
just
I even...
sit down.
What did I do? Like, I'm just trying to go home. Yo, I have a broken ass leg, bro. I'm not even trying to be like... What do you mean? What did I do?
Put your feet in.
Damn, bro. Like...
You good?
Yeah. Kelsey, does he use any drugs?
No.
No.
No, he did just have like hella surgeries.
Okay. What do you have surgery on?
His leg.
How much do you have to drink tonight?
Probably like 5-6 beers and a couple of shots.
Okay.
And I had 2 beers. Like, I'm really not trying to go to jail either.
Just so you know, I got your key out of the ignition for you.
Thank you.
Yep. Will the car go into park or reverse or anything? Or neutral? I could probably start it.
Good Lord.
It's at least in neutral.
We're going to push it back.
Please don't hit my car.
Hold on, killer.
Great parking job.
So we'll take her to our police department lobby.
That's 28 minutes.
All right, sounds good. We'll get her up there.
All right, thank you.
Charged with obstructing official business and resisting arrest, he is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
When the chaos settled, Kelsey was taken to the police department lobby to wait for a ride. Her boyfriend, however, was booked into jail for obstructing official business and resisting arrest. He's presumed innocent unless proven guilty in court. But moments like these remind us, when officers give you a chance to walk away, take it, because sometimes the biggest fight isn't with the police, it's with your own decisions. Subscribe for more real-world law enforcement footage and breakdowns only on the Jackcam.